Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are gonna do a Mulan look. Now this look right here, I would say can definitely do for a regular day at work. It's super cute, super simple, super easy, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. First thing we are going to go in with is with the Summer Fridays Jet Lag Mask. This is a mask, a moisturizer, an under eye cream, a primer, whatever you want to use it as, whenever you need it, however you need it. I love this thing. It leaves my skin hydrated, dewy, extra glowy. Even over time, you notice a difference. So if I put it on now, maybe later in the night, I'll see a huge difference. It retails for about $30 to $48, depending on if they have sales or not. So keep that in mind. This foundation right here is the e.l.f. Cosmetics Flawless Finish Foundation. It is not my favorite because it dries very matte, and usually people with dry skin don't like things that dry matte, but I make it work for me. I basically use very dewy products underneath, and I like to mix it with a little bit of a lightweight dewy foundation, and it does the trick. So if you're on a budget, this one right here, and if you like matte, it really does the job. It really does for $6. I mean, come on, look at it. And no, you guys are not tripping. I am putting concealer again. I have to double up on concealer when using this one. This is the Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and I want to love it because the finish is amazing. It does a great job, but then it wears off for me, and I feel like I have to reapply to get the, the stronger brightening effect. And I don't know if that's just me. I didn't really do my research before purchasing, but I will, and I'll let you guys know. For the sake of looking like Mulan, we did not contour strongly. I simply brushed up on the lightest bronzer that I have, and I even went and touched under my eyes to remove the powder. That's how light it is. That's how well I trust it, that it's not dark. I have a natural contour line, so I don't have to do much. For the blush, I went ahead and applied it directly under my eyes and then softly blended it outward, but not as I would have done for an event or any other type of makeup. This one was strictly to purposely shape my face more round and cartoon-like. And I want to look like her, but I also want to look like myself. So if that makes sense to anyone, you know what I mean? Like wearable makeup, but you look like Mulan, like you really do. So that was my goal in my artistic head, and I have some explaining to do. My mom so beautifully pointed out in the picture that I posted that my eyebrows weren't shaded incorrectly. Can you believe this? I have to completely agree, they were not. I usually do like 3 steps for my eyebrows to look natural and full and plump and whatever you want to call it, perfect. Now, I left it at this. Yes, what you see here is what I left it as, and it's only because, again, this is a cartoon look. I wasn't really trying to have the full round cosplay black, eyebrows that she has. I want it to look natural, but I also want to give a little tiny bit of shape like hers. So nothing too crazy, nothing too underdone. Does that make sense? Does it? If it doesn't, you guys can let me know in the comments. Don't be shy. Let me know, girl. You should have done your eyebrows better. To make my eyes look more like hers, I simply did a very thin liner, very, very, very close to my lashes, and I also did the waterline top and bottom, but very important detail, I did not go past the middle of my eye, so I didn't bring it into the inner corner. If I did, it was only on the waterline, it wasn't on the top. So I just wanted to let you guys know that if you do ever want to have or achieve a smaller eye look, this is the trick. Little details like this go a very long way in making a drastic change to eye shapes, and this is something that we use to create symmetry. So some people have a bigger eye than the other. We can easily make one eye look smaller like this, and it's really good to know. To balance everything I just did, I want to brighten the inner corners of my eyes, and I do this with the same highlighter that I used. I just wanted to give a more doe-eyed, so like you made them smaller, now you gotta balance everything out and make them a little bigger on the insides. That's basically what I'm doing here. Creating the cartoon effect, but at the same time having a whole look. And every step that you do, don't forget to go back and blend, and that's what I'm doing here. I just went back in with the light brulee color from the Bright Lights palette, and I blended everything together so there's no sharp lines. And it's lipstick time! Moving on to lips, I just wanted to let you guys know that I really didn't have to do much. I feel like with the other princesses that I have done, I have had to like rearrange my entire face. But I don't know, I resemble with her with Mulan's lips. She has the same kind of Cupid's bow that I have, and a smaller upper lip, bigger lower lip. I'm actually pretty proud of Disney for that because all the other princesses have the most perfect mouth. It is incredible. So yeah, I was actually pleasantly surprised with how I did my lips to match hers. I simply outlined the lower lip a little bit more than I would in the middle, and my Cupid's bow just to exaggerate it a little bit, but everything else stayed the same. And once I mixed in the white in the center to create a nice little pout, I completed the look. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you guys try this at home And I hope you learned something. If you did, don't forget to let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notifications bell and the like and all the fucking buttons you could find. Thank you guys for watching. Love you. Stay safe.